has stolen smile from your face? Why have you sharpened your face like the claws of a tiger whose tail has been touched? What has stirred the water of anger in your soul?
You reap where you did not sow. You represent light, yet you seek that which has been dedicated to darkness and death. And you will be swallowed up by this darkness that you stand to oppose.
Mama guys na mebe amere m kemere nwanyi gbagruzere m tere nwunye di m. Ebe beru ugo beru nkasi ibe ya na go egosi ya ibe ojebe ma nku akwa ni ya. Angrogo jesire. Angrogo jesire. Ojele na bachukwu oke abia ma ndo se buru ụwa. Ojele na ekele no dele na fule na kwole kwa vonro yo. Ya magazi na brunka iyo mana ke iyo mana rio mana fio mana nko Mamela onye mere ibe ya ihe ọma. Chefona na-agụ ụzọ agụ ọnụ na chifuru efo na-eji eji nke jiri eji na-efe efe o ji akwụnye nchika nchita anya nji a na-adịrọkwa n'elu ewechiri ogede were mgbotukpo na mmiri edichekwa na anọ ma se enu ụda obiri iji akụ na gị burukwa ụzọ gosie enu Daji ọgwụgwụ ogbu n'abalị eri enyi kwaba eto n'ozu n'ụzọ kọọ ya n'ọnụ nwa nwe ihu ma ya nwe ha azụ ya ma ha nwoke ma ya ma ha nwaanyị onye ọjọọ n'ije onye agba n'ọsọ ogbu n'abalị ọgwụ ekwuchara ṅụọ oyi n'ọdụ n'agbata ndị gbuo ogbu n'aba
Ụtụtụ ọma nna m.
ụtụtụ ọma nna m ode. How was your night?
I rested well. I did.
Have you said your morning prayers? Have you poured libation to your chi and our father's homestead? The deity of our father's homestead. Have you done that?
I have said my prayers to my chi, father, and I will still pour libations to the deities of my father's homestead.
Good.
But father, I wanted to ask, why must we tie a black cloth across our neck when we are pouring libation to Obulabale?
Namodi. Kunye diki ihe ya na adi. No na bụ ihe kwuru ihe akwụdebe ya. Black symbolizes darkness. Obulabale is the deity representing the dark forces. And to represent them, you must adore in black. You must represent them in order to appease them. Do you understand?
But why should we have a deity that represents darkness here in our homestead?
Life is fleeting, but death is eternal. Death is something that has to do with the unknown, the unseen. Anyways, your question will be answered when the time comes. You will really find out. But that will be when the sun goes down and the moon surfaces with its light. Your questions will better be answered there.
I'm not asking onye ajụjụ ade feels. That is why I asked.
Be patient, my son. Go and do the needful. Perform the morning rite. Do your best. Leave the rest for the gods.
I purposely didn't want to wake you up because I saw you. You overworked yourself yesterday. Eh?
Ututuoma. I am awake and I am strong. The gods chose me to take care of the sick. They will strengthen their own.
You are right, my daughter. But you know that you are flesh. And the flesh needs to rest so that it can serve the spirit and the deity better.
Nne, you should also know that the flesh is of the spirit and they draw strength receiving from the spirit.
But you see, this morning, I am not ready to argue with you.
Nne, my dreams came again.
Okay. Hey. Mama, are you sure this is not a sign? A warning from the spirits, making all my warning concerning Nnamdi clearer to you. Mama, I think it's better you leave this boy called Nnamdi. Leave him alone. Okay. From what I'm seeing, your relationship with him is not healthy. Leave him alone now.
But Nne, I love him. My heart is drawn to him. Our souls are bound together and I cannot pull out. Nne, nobody rips her heart out and still lives.
Norma, don't speak like that. The pressure will kill you. The deity that you are serving does not accept your relationship with Nnamdi. You need to save your soul, Norma, my daughter. This is who you are, and you cannot throw it away because of the pleasure of your heart.
But Nne, I also deserve to be happy. Nne, my happiness matters too. My gift is for the happiness of this community, but what about me? Nne, what about me? Don't I deserve to have peace?
Norma, you need to save your soul. I care for you.
Nne, you don't. No, Nne, you don't. Nne, if you care about me, you will not ask me to live without a heart.
Norma. Nne. Oh.
I cannot live without my heart. You are my heart and nothing can scare me or take me away from you.
And I would die 1,000 deaths before I give up on us. Even though my father has been on my neck, yet he refuses to tell me the reason why. It seems everything and everyone is against our love.
But nothing will move my love for you. Even if the world is against us, we will fight for our love.
Ubin, I believe that those dreams are mere illusions. I can never hurt you. And if my father will not tell me what the problem is, I guess I have to find out for myself from somewhere else.
But where? Who do we ask? I have prayed to Akwali with every language I know, but I've heard nothing.
Obim, what if I go to Ishele to see Ulaga?
Ulaga, no. No, my love. I think we should just wait. What is hidden will soon be brought to light. We just have to be patient.
I believe you. Your words are so wise. That is why I always obey you. Obim. You bring so much happiness to this community. And your herbs bring life.
And your prayers keep the community in one piece. I have to hurry now. I need to get some herbs before the sun sets.
Now? I'll go with you. Who are you? You belong to me and to me alone. Do not let the light in her illuminate the darkness in you. Retrace your steps, son of Okwanzu. Your lineage has been given to me to command, and I will spare no wrath when I come to take what is mine. You want?
What is happening? What is happening? Why are you running?
Papa, I saw something. My eyes behold things that I cannot explain.
He came. I saw him leave, and yet to return. Yet to return!
Father, what do you speak of? I saw myself. It was me, but it was not me. He had my face, and he was warning me. Father, what does that mean?
Namdi, the warning was very clear. The warning was clear! The stone seen by someone does not blind him. Heed to the warnings before your head goes down as a result of failures of your ears. The failures of your ears!
Father, you talk in parables. And your words are so heavy that my head fails to make meaning of them. Talk to me, my father.
Namudi, do not shame the lineage of your fathers. Do not make mockery of the price paid to marry your mother. I will not explain my words to you, and I will never repeat myself. Retrieve your steps. Retrieve your steps, Namdi. That maiden will be your doom. That maiden will be your doom.
Father, this has nothing to do with Norma.
Once again, you have failed to wrap your head around wisdom. You have failed. Na mu hetolo ogonogo. Na dada kwa mwe ne na nemu ya nenu. Do you know that you are the son of Okwanzu? Mukuna kamwe anza da munyi. Mukuni kenga wura da juoyi. Mukuna wago da tafifia. You have chosen the path of foolishness. You have chosen the path of foolishness, son of Okwanzu. That maiden has different chi. You, Namdi, has different chi. Your chi can never come together. She is sworn to another deity, and you to another deity. There is no way you can come together.
A different deity. My father, what do you mean?
Things might look alike, but they are never at all the same. I've told you earlier. Listen. Light and darkness do not meet. Never! Never! Light and darkness cannot meet. Do not take steps. It is longer than your feet.
Your hands are so blessed, my friend. They make the herbs so powerful and they bring life even to the weak bones.
You flatter me too much, Ekemma. I am only following the instructions of the deity, and the spirit gives life. Besides, I'm just a vessel.
Norma, if it was easy, then the gods would have chosen anyone to be their vessel. You are special, and that is why the gods have chosen you. I know the spirit gives life, but it is through you. Yes.
The spirit will always find their way. You do not need to praise me too much.
Norma, you are troubled. What is it? I know when you are happy and when you are troubled, so tell me, what troubles you?
My problem seems bigger than natural. The spirit has decided to take away the only thing that brings peace to my soul.
Norma, I don't understand. You serve the spirits. And I know the spirits are just. They do not send out a child with salt and send the rain after him. Norma, why do you speak ill of the spirits that you represent? Eh?
Their signs are clear. They do not wish me to be with Nnamdi. And he's the only one my heart has chosen.
Oh, Norma, why did the spirit reject him? His father is a priest, and he will take over from his father when he's gone. Norma, I think you both are perfect to end up together. Together you two will bring peace to the land and protect the land.
That was the same thing I thought. I thought our union would bring peace to the community. But it's obvious the gods have their own plans, and they've kept us in the dark.
Norma, I don't want this to take away your peace, okay? You know, the ways of the gods are mysterious. We do not know what they have planned or what they want to do. But time will bring their thoughts to light soon, okay? So don't worry too much.
It's fine. I need to see Uju. She has Iba.
Okay.
Let me get the herbs, then I'll go there.
I will join you now so that I can help you, okay?
Okay.
Norma, will my sister leave?
Yes. She will leave. It has not pleased her chief to take her yet. These herbs will break down the fever, and very soon she will regain her strength.
Thank you very much, Norma. You are such a blessing from the gods to our land.
All thanks to the gods. The spirit heals, not me. I only bring the right herbs.
And you have never failed to bring the right herbs. Thank you, Nne.
You're welcome. We have to go now, so I'll leave the herbs here. Make sure you give it to her at sunset. I'll be back tomorrow to check on her.
Alright now, Dalu Nne.
Greetings, Roger. Greetings, wise one.
The river that swallowed elephant is where an ant is warming up to swim. Why do you start a fight you cannot achieve? Why do you start something you cannot finish? You have been warned times without number and you refuse to listen. Daughter of Akwari, why do you choose to test the depth of the river with your 2 feet?
Nam, I will not pretend I do not understand your words. But I only wish to know why you think I and Nnamdi do not deserve peace together. Naya, I love him and I will do anything to fight for our love.
Do not be deceived by the frail nature of Amadoha's wife, because you might get destroyed by the husband's fury. Take it. You want to engage in a fight you cannot withstand? What is your problem? Now listen to this. Take your hands off. Take your hands off! No man, take your hands off! Take your hands off that which is not made for you. That which is not assigned to you. That which is not marked for you. Take your hands off! One word is enough for your eyes.
Daughter of the wind, this has gone on long enough. You cannot continue to stain the garment of purity that has been put on you. You have chosen one who is dedicated to another, and the bond you cannot break. Your purification has been stained, and if you wish to continue, you must be purified again, or give up your powers for the love which you seek. Mother of the earth, please, I love him. My heart cannot beat without him. Please, please purify him and take him as yours, so I can have him. I cannot purify him because he does not belong to me. Do not disgrace the gift you have been given, daughter of the wind.
Where are you going?
I want to see a friend out there. That's all.
The hen's chicks will never understand the incessant worries of their mother until the hawk makes meal of them.
Father, what have I done now? I only told you I wanted to see a friend out there. Give me one.
How dare you lie to me? Why do you lie to your father? Namudi, what an old man sees while sitting, you, a young man, will never see, even if you climb to the topmost of an iroko tree. You will never see it. Your steps are forbidden for today. Yes, your steps today are forbidden by the gods. So that you will not be led to destruction. Be guided. The gods do not want you to take wrong steps today.
No, Father. My steps are not rejected by my chi. No. In fact, it leads to what my heart truly desires. Hoha, I want to go and see Norma. And my heart will not rest until I see her.
Namudi, your chi will never lead you into destruction. Your chi will never lead you into confusion. Your heart desire does not come from the place of wisdom.
Father, let me ask you just one question that has been on my mind. Nama, what have I done? What did Norma do? What did we do that the gods forbid our union? You
have not done something. But both of you are actually under the influence of a particular thing. Listen to me. Your heart found solace in a wrong place. And I don't want you to go wrong. I have been telling you this. Now, Namdi, go back to the house.
Papa. Kezi?
Namdi, na bonu no. Namdi, na bonu no. Di na wo ona kili ngane kili mom. Na bonu no Namdi. Na bonu no okunu ne kili ngane kili mom. Na go buta na daya.
I am so sorry. I am sorry I kept you waiting. It's my father. He insisted I would not come out. I don't know how he got to find out that I was actually coming out to see you.
It's fine. It's fine. I will wait however long it takes to be with you. You know my heart keeps racing towards you.
Same with mine. In fact, I always feel this desire to be around you every day and every time.
But what do we do about your father? He has sworn to keep us apart. He even stopped me on my path the other day to threaten me. And he threatens you too.
Obim, forget about my father. Forget about him. See, I am very sure that he will get tired and give up. Especially when he must have noticed that nothing he does would ever come between us and would ever stop our hearts from racing towards each other. Obim, no charm in my father's would be intoxicate me the way you do. No. The love I have for you is stronger than any charm.
I love you too. And you make me happy. I want to be happy every day.
Then let me make this promise to you. Nothing will ever take this happiness from us. Mem, it's so clear to see that our hearts are bonded together. And no human or spirit can ever separate us. I love you.
I love you too.
Come, let's sit down. Tell me about the day you told me that you would go to the bush to get some herbs.
Namdi, how dare you stir the anger of the gods? Why did you choose to disobey your father? Or maybe, has your shit taken away your senses?
I'm sorry, Father, but I had to see her.
Namdi, do not be the restless grasshopper that ends up in the stomach of an unfortunate bird. And do not be that bird that decided to fight its sheep, lost its hand after having too much to eat. Do not be that bird, Namdi.
Father, not even my chi can separate me from the woman I love. If my chi tries it, I will rip it away from my soul and put it in chains.
Stop! Speak no more. Namdi, speak no ill of your chi. No man, no spirit deserves to be put in chain. Now tell me, my son, is that how I raised you? Who taught you this? Tell me, Namdi, why do you want to fight the very ground on which you are standing?
Father, my words are as strong as the feelings I have for her. And my chi is in agreement. I'm sure of that.
Namdi, your chi is in agreement? Nonsense! If your chi is in agreement, and the great Obulabani is not in agreement, it does not work. For if the great Obulabani is not in agreement, its anger cannot be tamed.
Then I will die 1,000 deaths before I give up on Norma.
This one like this. If you take it and squeeze out the water, smell it, it will cure your cough.
Are you serious?
Okay, what of this one? This one. Put it in.
Greetings, Norma.
Greetings, Norma. Greetings, Amelie. How are you?
We are fine. We've come to show our gratitude for healing my sister, so please accept our little gift.
Amelie, you don't have to. The gods heal, not me. I only gave her the potion.
The potion helped in saving my sister. All thanks to the gods, so please accept it.
Thank you so much. I am healthy now.
Anne,
Greetings, Mama.
greetings. Nne, how are you? You are now okay. Nne, how are you now?
I'm fine.
Thanks to the gods.
We'll be on our way now.
Oh, greet your parents. The ram is really fat.
Yes, Nne. Thanks to the gods, we have enough meat for the season.
My daughter. Hey, thanks to Aquario.
Nnamdi, are you sure you're not taking this too far?
I'm not taking it too far, Anele. In fact, my brother, I have no reason to give up on Norma. She has not given me any reason. She has brought nothing but happiness to me. So why would I give up on her?
But your father is against it. So is her mother. Why not listen to your father to avoid any impending problem?
Anele, I'm ready to face anything. Anything. For the sake of our love. You will not understand. You have never been in love.
Nnamdi, what was the meaning of all this now?
Anele.
Is it because I decided to come and give you brotherly advice?
Butu. See, I am not trying to insult you, but I lack words to explain love to you. Loving a Norma. It feels like for the first time, scales fell off my eyes and I could see love for what love truly is. Norma is so beautiful that it hurts to see her frown. My heart, I'm telling you, my heart beats to the sound of her name. You would not understand. My brother, just first of all, find your love for yourself. Because they say that the sweetness of the yam pudding is in the yam pudding.
It's fine, Nnamdi. Is love that strong enough that you want to sacrifice your life for it? Because the threats are too much. Even the spirits are now involved.
Anele,
Nnamdi,
I'll answer you this question with every strain of life in me. Love is worth it all. Love I have for Norma, it is worth it all. I am ready to die 1,000 deaths, walk 1,000 miles, swim 1,000 rivers, just to get to hold Norma again as my love. Nah, you don't understand. You go to Chongwai. You Chongwai.
Nnamdi.
You Chongwai.
What? No! 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 Ghost of our land! Ghost of our land! What have we done about this? Return of forces! Obunabale!
I saw the rumbles in the sky. What happened?
Your stubbornness has reached its limit. There is always a boundary to every long rope of mercy. The spirit of the dark forces has been provoked, and there is nothing you can do to avert the wrath. You caused this death. You caused this death. You have been so stubborn, and you have caused deep anger from the darkened world. Causing this death, you must face the consequence. Namely, causing this death, you must face the consequence. Namaste! The cup of anger, and must drink from it. She must drink from it.
No, Father. Father, no. Nothing must happen to Norma. Norma!
Every corner will be your way. I don't want to go more bread or more. What's my African boy? Kuke. Asimo, can you hear me?
My father. Please, save Norma for me. Nothing must happen to Norma. I beg you with everything you hold dear. I beg you with the deities of Enuani, before whom you sit. Save Norma for me, please.
Monechinti. Asimo mezi anga menu mane mete chioma chidu maduzie. Na ye kwekuru nuje ka ọ na-ekwu n'ụna. Ana m ajụ esi m anga awa ya watazie ya ihe. Asị m ọ maka ọtụtụ ugiri maka ife na eze maka ọnwa akwa mmiri maka ozuzo. Ka gaghị esi mezi wee kwa onye ukwu gwara. Ngwa. Ndị isi ma ọkọ ihe onu ngwụrụ ya. Wee sị mụ na-adị bụ nwere ebi n'ọsọ ọgana eme ya onye ife nene. Ana m asị ọ bụ onye eje n'ije onye agba n'ọsọ. Ọ bụzi onye achọ ọgụ ọcha mgbe ọ ka nsị aga ma makwu na njọ dị njọ. Oho. Nwe ihe mere aba na-asụ ọya. O nwere ihe ndị egwu a na-eme uche na ọbụrụ ahụ. She is beyond saving as we speak. She cannot be saved. She will die this night. The spirit of death is only waiting for the night to cover so she could be taken to the other side of life. And there's nothing I can do as we speak.
There is something you can do, and I know it. Father, I am begging you. Save Norma for me. I beg you.
Look at it here in our physical zone. There is nothing I can do.
If she goes over to the other side, I will join her. If Norma dies this night, I will die with her, and your lineage ends with me this night.
Stop! Even if you are deaf, can't you see? Look at it here. Do not threaten your chi. Namodi, do not threaten your chi. Now what have room uzo, but one was a man room at uzo, where's Wayahu? Life is not within your control. You are not the giver of life. It is that makes life and gives life. Only your chi will decide your end. Only your chi will decide your end.
Father, I and my chi are in agreement. I have begged you, I have pleaded with you to save Norma. Our souls are bound together forever. Yes. Not even death can separate us. We stand on Annie, under Anyanwu. Let all the deities in Enuani bear witness to this oath of love, that our flesh is bound together and our souls are bound together too, and nothing can separate us, not even death.
Annie, Anyanwu, and all the deities in Enuani bear witness that my soul and body are yours forever, and that nothing can separate us, even in afterlife. A promise was made, and this promise
will be kept.
Your chi has not agreed to this path you walk. Daughter of the wind, return to your word, for your time here is yet to come.
Do not intervene. She is on the path she has chosen for herself. Even her chi cannot save her. She is mine to take.
And she is dedicated to me. She is marked for light, and she will not be overtaken by darkness. Let go, for you have no right over this one.
My blood flows in her. She entered a covenant with me, and I will do whatsoever I wish with her.
The blood of mine also flows in your vessel. If you want to claim rights, then I shall lay claim to yours. Let go of what is mine, and I shall let go of what is yours. If she must travel this path, then he must also travel to the same path, for they are bonded together.
Gods of our land. Gods of our land. Mama, Mama, my daughter, oh, thank you. I want to email now. Name. Oh, I want to email now. Gods of our land. I thought you were so sick. Mama, how are you feeling? Mama, take email. Oh,
Mama, Nnamdi. Mama, where is Nnamdi?
Nnamdi. See, Nnamdi is fine. Nnamdi is fine. You are the one that is sick, and you need to rest.
Mama, it's not fine. It's not fine. Where is Nnamdi?
Ekema Nnamdi is very, very fine. He even came here to see you. Ekema said she didn't know what stopped him from entering our compound. So he now went back. Come and sit down.
Mama, Nnamdi is not fine. Mama, Nnamdi is not fine. Mama, they're trying to take him from me. I have to save him.
Nnamdi is fine. You're the one that needs to rest.
Mama, Nnamdi is not well. Nnamdi is not
well.
Nnamdi!
Mama, come back here.
Mahmoud. Aquari came to save her own.
But why were you there?
Nnamdi. The spirit of death is faceless. It assumes any face, any shape, at any time. I, Okwanzu, I am sworn to the deity from birth. Likewise yourself. Like I said earlier, it has the right to assume any face, any shape, any time, anyhow, anywhere.
But why, Father? We should be saving lives and not destroying them. Right here in our homestead lies a deity that guards Nwami. Why do we need a deity that represents darkness here residing with us?
Namudi, we save lives and we will continue to save lives. However, that is a story you will be told later when the time comes. Don't! Do not enter, daughter of the wind. Else, you will lose the right to the life you have now. Go nowhere. Get in. No. Go in. What have I got? I was up for you. I just said, I don't go, Mama, no go.
Obi, my sorry too. I'm sorry I could not help you. I could not help myself. I'm sorry for all I put you through.
It's not your fault. This is not your fault. I understand it better now. And I know this is the right time to end it.
End it? How? What do you mean?
The deity of death and judgment your father dedicated you to does not dwell well with the deity of light that I serve. We have to remove these deities from our lives if we ever want to have peace.
But that is not possible. It's impossible. We can't do it for ourselves. And my father will not help us either. So,
if nobody wants to help us, then we must do it by ourselves. I am ready to give up my power to be with you.
then I will tear down every evil in my father's homestead to be with you too.
That is the only way out, my love.
But my love, I still think this is too much for you to do. I can't let you give up your powers. Your powers give life. Your power is the reason that sickness and diseases have not wiped out this community. Okay, think about the people. What will they do when you give up your powers?
Let the gods choose another. Let the gods choose another to help them, not me. We have to do this.
You cannot do away with me, child. Don't you understand? You are me, and I am you. We are the same. I have nothing in common with you, you bearer of darkness and sorrow. Today will mark your end forever. You cannot end me, for no man can fight against the ground on which he stands. Nandi, son of Okwanzu, you belong to me, and nothing can take you away from my grasp. No! I will end you today and forever.
spirit of life and purity. You have betrayed me. Today I am here to break my bond with you, so I can raise another with the man I love. You have denied me happiness when you know it matters most to me. I have decided to forge my path. The path to love and happiness. I can no longer serve you.
Why do you fight to achieve? Namudi, why do you fight to achieve? Does a man throw punches against his shadows? I don't know. Why they tell about Nuti Akabulu Yogu? Can you man about that Timbo to I thought you are wise enough to know when to fight and when to retrieve.
Father, this is evil. This deity is evil. We have to destroy it. Yes, let us destroy it so that everybody will be happy. That is the only way, Father.
And are you the one to destroy it? Namudi, I'm asking you, are you the one to destroy it? If you think it is evil. Your heart is brave, but your wisdom lacks. What makes you think that you're the one to destroy this? How dare you? Namudi, how dare you engage yourself in a fight, in a battle that your ancestors ran away from?
Then, Father, all my ancestors must have been cowards. If they stood down in front of evil, I'm not like them.
Silence! Silence, I said! Namude, son of Okwanzu. I will tell you what you need to know.
Mama, what have you done?
Nne, I did what had to be done.
Hey! I hope it's not what I'm thinking. What is that thing that you did? What is it?
I destroyed it. My powers are gone. Nne, I cannot continue serving the spirit that has stood against my happiness. I cannot continue to give them joy when my heart sorrows.
Hey! God of our land, Noma, do you know what you just did? Hey! Gods of our land. Why has the sky swallowed the sunshine in my household today? Hey, Chim, I caused the daybreak of today in my household. Noma, do you know what you have done? Why did you choose death over life? Hey, Noma, what has blinded you? What did Nnamdi give to you?
Nne, if loving Nnamdi is death, then I will die 1,000 times with a smile on my face because I know I found peace on earth. Please, I need to be alone. I'm going back.
Noma, please come. Noma, let's go. Noma, let's go and look for it. Please, let's go. What to do. Noma,
Ihe maka na-ekwu nke ma na mmehie ekwu. Ga jedebere ka ọfụ debere ka ọ madebere ka ọ kọdebere. Ọ kọtụ ihe onu nwere. Asị m ihe ọma na-eke ihe ọma na ori ihe ọma na afọ ihe ọma na nkwọ. Ka n'aka anyị ka n'aka ekpe ka n'ihu ka n'azụ ihe ọma ihe ọma. Ihe ọma nwoke ihe ọma nwaanyị. Ihe ọma onye ori ihe ọma onye Igbo. Ihe ọma onye ukwu ihe ọma onye nta. Ihe ọma onye ojii ihe ọma onye ọcha. Ihe ọma ha na ụbọchị na na-eke na orefọ nkwa sị na agazi ka ngoro ka o esi ere n'afa Chukwu oke abịa ma na aja anyị. Onye ele na-ekele na orele na afọ ole na nkwọ olekwa nrụkwa ụfọdụ ohi o ihe Nnamdị ọ sị na ọ na-abụ ihe eju akpa machie ya ọnụ. When a sack is filled, it is tied. Ọ sị na ya kara aka anaghị eri ngwọrọ. An anticipated battle does not consume the creeper. Name that's not na-abụ kwalu oge ya ọda. The breadfruit falls at its appropriate time. You have been itching to hear the story I'm about to tell you. I want you to listen attentively. I will take my time to tell you this story. Here and now. Nnamdi, we are descendants of Udo. We are descendants of the priests of Udo. Udo, the great deity of resolution and peace. And Akwari, the deity of fruitfulness and life. Over years, this family has kept peace, even beyond the Inuane kingdom, without compromise. Are you following me? Good. During the reign of Odenibo, one of our ancestors, his powers grew to the extent that he was eager to have more powers and more recognition. He needed a seat in the Council of Elders, and he was denied of it. Odenibo went ahead to plant fear, confusion in the minds of the elders. Even at that, the decision of the elders was firm. He wanted to kill, but Udo does not kill an innocent one. Out of frustration, Odenibo went ahead to seek solution and extra powers as far as a far distant kingdom. He was guided by his friend, a very close friend of his, and he succeeded in bringing the oracle of death into Inuane kingdom. The day Odenibo arrived in Inuane kingdom with the oracle of death was the same day Akwari left our household. When Akwari left, Udo remained quiet, completely in silence. It was like Obulabane, the oracle of death brought by Odenibo, took over. And do not forget, I used to tell you that you and I are born into this, we are sworn into this. Every child born in this lineage automatically becomes dedicated to the oracle of death. That is Obulaban. So you can now see the reason Aquari left. Aquari represents fruitfulness and life, and of course light. Obulaban, an oracle of death, represents darkness and death. So you can see the reason the deity is against you being in love with Noma. You can now see the reason light and darkness cannot be together. Noma is the servant of Aquari, which means she represents light and life. And you and I are representing oracle of death, which is darkness. So there is no way. They are like two worlds apart.
We did not enter covenant with this deity. Neither were we the people who brought this deity here. So my own suggestion, and I believe is the only way out of this, is to destroy this deity. Yes, let's destroy this deity so that everybody can have peace.
What is involved is something I cannot easily mention, but I have to tell you, life is involved, Namdi.
Life?
Life. Yes, human life. Life.
I tried. I really tried. I saw myself, and then the oracle vanished from my hands. I'm sorry I failed you.
My lord, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. Besides, I already gave everything up. So I'm free now.
You have? I've caused you so much pain. I love this. This burden is too heavy for your shoulders. Your powers made you who you are, and you gave them up for me.
Yes, and I will do it again. I will give my life for you if that's what it takes for this to work. I did it for our love. I did it for you and I did it for our happiness. And I will do it over and over again without regrets.
I knew it. I knew it would happen. Makuga balaba bisike eje kuya. Makona biheju akpa machie yon. I knew it would happen. It is a very strong deity we are talking about. The deity does not forgive. This is a deity that hurts, punishes even its own.
Nani, what happened to him?
he woke up like this. Since then, he has not talked. He has not opened his eyes. He has not moved. Nothing, no sign. But his spirit is within reach. His spirit still hovers around. Something can be done. Something can still be done. Because the messengers of the night have not come. We still have daytime. It is not yet dark. So the messengers of night has not come to perform their duty. Something can still be done. He will not die. I, Okwanzu, cannot allow my only son, my replica on this earth plane, to die just like that. I will do something. I will do something.
No. Nani, please, I am begging you. Nani, please, I am begging you. Nani, please. If there is anything you can do, Nani, please, whatever it takes. Please. Nani, please, you have to save Nnamdi. Nani, you have to save him. I cannot live without Nani. Because Nani, I am begging you, please.
I can now see what true love is. I can see the sacrifices you have made to be with my son. I can even feel the sacrifices you have made to be with my son. Oh. You have not lost everything. Akwari is a merciful deity. Oh, but maybe this is just fate. To unite Udo and Akwari once again in my compound, as it has ever been during the days of our ancestors. He will not die. My son will not die. I will do what I must do. I will do what I must do. I will do what I must do. Okwanzo na ebunyi ma aka mwana na hamunyi. Kenga wura na hajo mata na emeka eme yobura agba. Agbatu ombe hoji onu. Mabada tajana alzemwi wana abula balikana yeli obana Mani obana Mabada Taujana Mwabuna Banana. Water is life. Water is life. Water can wash everything, but nothing can wash water. Water is the source of life. Water is the sustainer of life. If there is any covenant you had with my lineage, as this water flows, they will all flow away with this water. Lose all you are holding to be free. As this water washes us clean. Whatever agreement you had with our ancestors, it is hereby broken. Peace I restore in my family. Peace I restore in the entire Inwani kingdom.
Nanya, I saw the dark clouds. It traveled across this homestead. Nanya, what did you do? What did you do? His breath is becoming weak.
It is done. It is done! Return to the river, daughter of the wind. Take that which belongs to you. Unite with my son. Unite with my son to protect this land. I have to join my ancestors now for both of you to live.
Nanya! Nanya! Namdi! 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 Namdi!
Why is father like this? No, father. Father, I'm awake now. No!
please wake up, wake up. I'm awake now. Father.
You have not rejected me. Thank you, Great Mother. I will serve you with all my heart.